Alive, there's loot. And oh my god, even more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.
Get in, vibes.
I thought I could teleport. Whee! See, where they're fighting. We're fighting over here.
大师了，大师了，这把大师。Foreign friends， 刚才是我哥还有我朋友 Ricky， 在我房间。
Oh, they're shooting. Here.
I think so. Booster. That's all. Ah, yeah.
Exiting the trident. 10 seconds and rings close.
I got Valkyrie. You wanna come? Let's go.
They were shooting here.
I'll land on somebody's
Why
head.
do I have 200 ping again? What is this server?
I'm fine. It's your internet, for sure.
No, it's because I haven't lagged. I don't lag on stream. I haven't lagged anywhere other day. And it's just fucking every other ranking now.
Yeah.
Get servers.
Attention. Delivering care package. Care package coming. Who's up?
They're over here.
There.
Yeah, that was a third party.
Who's out?
See you later, vibes.
Oh.
Wanna Valkyrie?
In case we win the game from here.
Find where people are. Win the game. I'm basically fucking monsters who win this game.
Oh, they took. Did they take it? Or did it disappeared? The line. Oh. Yeah, people on the building.
Okay.
Why is this door bugged?
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Are they on this building or what?
Yeah.
56.
56 as well.
Charging up my shields.
One close.
I'm on my way.
We got above me.
Replicator
Happy?
incoming.
On the right door, on the bottom here.
I can TP us on the roof. Again, there's a team in the back. Oh.
Play mango, play mango.
Half on me. Oh, he's a rat. No way! Oh,
71. 31.
I'm down below.
Swinging. He's aping.
Okay.
Fuck.
I'm expecting this, yeah. Can I spectate faster?